Hello, everybody. I really hope you enjoyed the 8 previous videos of how to make money online for free. You've got to understand how great Groove Digital is, how great Groove Funnels is. You need to understand that all the softwares are part of the same family, not like ClickFunnels and the other softwares that you've got to buy more software to connect them all to. So it's a digital marketer's dream software. It's fantastic. And if you play around with the pages, you get 3 free websites or web funnels, whatever you want to call it, with free hosting online for free. So you could maybe sell some products, digital products or physical products. That's yours now, free for life. And I gave you the code to make a website, like a sales funnel, free. So I hope you got lots of value out of these 9 videos. Video number 10 is to come. I'm going to wait about 1 month. If you have questions relating to, that you would like to know, please leave a comment, reply to the email. This email, the last email, I think was email number 9. I think it was email number 9 or number 10. The last email. Just reply to me and tell me what you would like to, what else you would like to know. If I've missed anything, something you're stuck on, and then I will make video number 10 and send that one out and it will get added on. So I've left video number 10 open to address your problems that you may have. So that's that's the bonus. So you're getting, I'll send you through the images that I use for promotions to help you. So I say to you, good luck. You can do it. It's very easy. I make a lot of money by promoting this software. You can even win like a brand new Corvette car if you're the top affiliate. Every month they have prizes for what you can win. If you're the best person at selling their software, you make the most money. You win like a $100,000 car, and you can win MacBooks and different things like that. So I hope I've delivered value to you. I hope you haven't forgotten to go back to the original video you saw on YouTube. I'll post a link in the email. And make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a fantastic comment of how I've helped you to become an affiliate marketer and make money for free online. I've done exactly what I said I would do. I've sold you nothing. So go out there and make some money. If you need to know more, email me back and I will make a video number 10 and answer the questions that you need to be answered. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. You can do it. Stay positive. Get your affiliate link out there. Get promoting it. Get making money. You can do it. Okay, I've got to look down as I always do. Everybody, I'm Craig Byrne, Creative Digital Solutions. It's been a pleasure helping you make money online for free. Goodbye.